To generate unit codes in bulk, start by navigating to the specific experience for which you intend to create the unit codes. When you place your cursor over it, an option titled Show Variants will become visible. Click on Show Variants. You will see a variant. Now click on the variant. After opening the variant, proceed to click on the Serialized Code tab. To create unit codes with system-generated bridge IDs, simply input the quantity in this field and then click on the Generate Codes button. Once the codes are generated, you can see the code's active number over here. Select a view code for this specific variant, and you will be able to observe all the unit codes in this section. However, in this scenario, note that the lot number is randomly assigned, the bridge codes are system-generated and random, and there is no specific serial number. If you wish to assign specific bridge codes, a designated lot number, and individual serial numbers to your unit codes, follow these steps. Go back to your experience page. Go to Show Variants. Click on the variant. Go to the Serialized Code tab. You will find an option to generate serialized codes by uploading a spreadsheet. To download the template spreadsheet, select Upload a Spreadsheet and then click on the Download Template. Since I have already downloaded a template, I will proceed to work with that specific template. This is my template. I have serial number already pre-filled over here. If I wish to customize the bridge ID, I have the option to add it accordingly. I've entered customized bridge IDs. I have the option to include a lot number or batch number, and if I prefer them to be automatically generated, I can leave the corresponding field blank. So once all my fields are filled, I will save the file and upload it. This is the file upon which I will click the bulk upload button. Click the View Code for this variant button. You can see my newly added unit codes. These are my bridge IDs. These are the customized lot number. These are the customized serial number. Click on Get Code. Scan the QR code and you will be redirected to your customized unit code experience.